Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. As you can see, my bedroom is disastrous to say the least. I was looking for something to wear and y'all know how that is. My closet and dresser just exploded everywhere. So I need to get this all cleaned up before I go to bed tonight. So if you are interested and need some serious cleaning motivation, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned.
Come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty.
Let's get started. So obviously the biggest problem are all the clothes everywhere, all over the floor, all over my bed. I already had some folded laundry that needed to be put up before I even started looking for an outfit. So we just have a mess on top of a mess. So we're just going to take care of all of these clothes and stay tuned for the most satisfying time lapse I've ever seen.
We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. The things you're doing to me, it's like something out of a movie. You see right through me. It's like you already knew me. We can go up, or we can go down. Left or right, do or die. Come on, don't be shy. We can go up, or we can go.
Can you imagine if things actually just took as long as they do in time lapses? I feel like moms should just develop a turbo mode button that would make everything that fast.
Tonight, I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Hey, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. Baby, come and be with me tonight. I don't wanna come across impolite, but I'm ready. Oh, baby, come and show me how it's done. It's just you and me, one-on-one, nice and dirty. One-on-one, one-on-one, one-on-one.
After I'm done vacuuming, I'm going to put my curtain back up. This curtain rod was really inexpensive, and so you get what you pay for. And Ethan stepped on the bottom of the curtain. The whole thing came down and bent and everything. So you'll see when I put it back up, it's kind of sitting sideways. So I will probably be investing in a new one soon.
Oh, I never knew love would come and find me one day. Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way. Yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard and you took me by surprise. Oh, there's so many things that I wanna do. Do you? Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I won't do, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get
So Ethan put a bunch of lotion on his hands and then drew a heart on my mirror. How lovely. So I had to go over this a couple times just to get all of the greasiness off and then make sure it was a streak-free shine.
I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look.
And we are all done. I am so glad I took the time to clean all of those clothes up. It would have been a nightmare to get ready in all of that mess. Can you imagine? Thank you so much for watching this video. I know it was a short one, but I hope it still motivated you to get up and clean an area in the home. I really appreciate all of your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!